Hey guys, Todd Durkin here, joined today by someone very special, my better half, my wife Melanie. And we're talking about this Sunday. We have a very special class program we have going on, a fundraiser workout that we're doing for the Delsey family. Near and dear friends of ours that lost their daughter, their 4-year-old daughter, earlier this year. And this weekend we're doing something that we're inviting you to. It's a fundraiser workout here at Fitness Quest 10. Fitness Quest 10 clients, members, trainers in the area, or any friends of you that would like to come out to this. It's a fundraiser workout from 9:30 to 10:15. I'll be putting everyone through a fun, all levels welcome workout here at Fitness Quest 10. So come one, come all, come many. We're gonna have a blast. And then after you sweat, then you go over to Melanie's class at 10:15, where she's doing a mind-body.
You may still sweat.
You will sweat, but she's going to do a little, mind-body fusion yoga Pilates workout where you can join the best of sweating and get your mind right, and that is for all levels as well. So it's going to be a great Sunday. Melanie has done some wonderful things for this event. If you can be there, can you please let our wonderful fans and friends know what you did with the baskets and everything that's going on at Fitness
Well, if you
Quest
come
10?
into Fitness Quest 10, we have baskets. We have 6 baskets that all the neighbors and our friends help to contribute, and we put them together, and we are doing a raffle, so you can come in and buy raffle tickets. We have 1 raffle ticket for $10 or 3 raffle tickets for $25. And bid on some of these great baskets. We've got some good date night baskets. We've got great gift cards and a lot of really good stuff. And we've got our kids doing a lemonade and hydration station for you. So we've got Julie's yummy granola, and we've got a lot of good healthy and yummy treats for you to hopefully participate in, and it's all donation based, 100% donation based. So we're hoping to raise money for the family so that they can continue to go down the path for their IVF and successfully have another little boy or little girl to add to their family.
Cool. And if for some reason someone can't make the workout, they got church, they got a great excuse, how could they still participate in this?
You can come into Fitness Quest 10 and buy a raffle ticket at any time. We've been having them up at the front desk all week. You can go to the Give Forward site. It's giveforward.com /Erica's sibling. So we have that on our website, and you can do that at your leisure. So we're just trying to the power in numbers. We're trying to get everybody to participate a little bit, whatever you can you feel comfortable with, and hoping to just give them a ray of light and infuse some hope and something positive to make them feel the support around them and the love and care that I know so many people have to help with this process.
Nice job. Awesome. There you have it. This Sunday, you want to be there. Come all, come many, as many as you want. If you can't be there, you have all the information on how to be involved with the program. So think about it, meditate about it, pray about it. If it's calling you, great, then partake. If you just want a great workout in, come on over. Again, it's a free workout. By donation, everything will go back there as well. So thanks for joining us. We look forward to seeing you here on Sunday or sometime in the near future. Peace and God bless.